Maggie and Millie and Molly and May went down to the beach to play one day, and Maggie discovered a shell that sang so sweetly she couldn't remember her troubles, and Millie befriended a stranded star whose rays 5 languid fingers were, and Molly was chased by a horrible thing which raced sideways while blowing bubbles, and May came home with a smooth round stone, as small as a world and as large as a lone. For whatever we lose, like a you or a me, it's always ourselves we find in the sea. I just got back from a trip to Australia. It was lovely, and although a few things went awry and plans changed more than once, I had a marvelous time. First, I got to visit my sister and her newborns, which was amazing. And then I had the good fortune to be hosted by Grant for, well, longer than I had intended. Thank you, Grant, for being an amazing tour guide, and for not raising a single objection when my 2-day visit turned into a full week because of international flight shenanigans. All this magical seaside footage is courtesy of Grant's hometown, by the way. Most people realize how stressed and burnt out they are during their vacations. I had the unique experience of realizing it on the way to my vacation. It came when I found myself recording a voiceover in the international terminal of the Vancouver airport. I was hunched under a raincoat that I was using as a makeshift sound booth, holding my laptop in one hand and my lav mic in the other, pausing every few minutes to wait for a pause in the never-ending stream of tannoy announcements. It makes for a funny story, but I only recognized in retrospect just how messed up that was. That's not who I want to be, and that's not the kind of content I want to make. More than anything, what I have wanted to do is create videos that satisfy and grow my skills and creativity. I imagined that deadlines, even self-imposed deadlines, would make me better. Instead, what they did was force me to finish projects before I was fully satisfied, and to cut corners for the sake of time. And that is some grade A nonsense. So my new schedule is, I will publish videos when they are done. That's it. Could be 2 weeks, 2 months, whatever. That runs against most recommendations for how you should grow your audience on YouTube, but frankly, I'd rather make good videos than consistently release mediocre ones. Thanks so much to all of you for watching this little update. I hope you come back for more videos in the future. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon!